Good morning, you guys. Today we're going to learn how to make a simple pasta.
Today we're going to be making an Alfredo pasta using this Alfredo sauce. It's just a ragu, roasted garlic parmesan, and rotini. These are just items we found in the kitchen that are probably in your home too.
We're also going to use this chicken strips, and we're going to need oil. And we're also going to be pairing it with some garlic breadsticks.
So we've already put the water to boil for about 20 minutes. Once you see it boiling, we're going to throw the pasta in. Depending on how you like your pasta, you can let it boil for 10 to 12 minutes. We're going to let it boil for about 10 to 10 minutes. We like ours al dente. Don't forget to season your water before you throw the pasta in. That's the only time the pasta can get flavored.
So what I'm doing here right now is I'm cutting them into little bite size, and they're already seasoned for us. So I'm just gonna do this before I even put them to cook. They're a little frozen, so kind of hard. So now that the chicken was cut into small pieces, I poured it into the saute pan, and I'm going to leave it in there for a couple of minutes.
Okay guys, safety first. Now we're going to take out all the water, pour this pasta into a colander. We're going to pour the pasta back into the pot. We're going to pour the pasta sauce and have it warm up with the pasta. You can stir it around and let it cook on low. Soon we'll be adding the chicken in. Okay, to pair the pasta that we've made, you can pair it with a side salad, with Italian dressing, or garlic bread. I'm going to show you how to make some garlic bread. So we just bought the box garlic bread. We're going to preheat the oven at 425 and bake these for 3 to 4 minutes.
So now that the chicken's done cooking, and when it looks crispy, you guys, like this, you guys are going to add it to the pasta. Sorry, I'm making a mess. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to put the whole chicken or half of the chicken. For now, I'm just going to add half of the chicken, okay, you guys? And we're going to mix it. And that's pretty much, you guys.
Okay guys, this was the final outcome. Pretty simple, took us about 30 minutes to make everything. Hope you guys like it.
Bye, you guys. Thank you guys for watching.